Hey, good day, man. How the hell's she hanging? Pretty good. I need arm's length. What am I doing? I have no idea. Completely. It's that week. I spent that whole year. Everybody's AC is just crapping out. I don't know if it's age or what. That's a Denso. Got a buddy of mine. We ordered one for him today. Actually, we picked it up right away for a tractor. Got one for a semi. Where are we? Right here. Got one for that machine. There's the old one. The clutch is just drawn way too much. She's sucking the life right out of that system, and it pops the fuse. It just keeps popping it. It started with the condenser on the roof, and now it's at the compressor. And we're looking for wires in the cab that are melted together. Anyways, I'm going to show you that. So let's see, I got, one for a semi. One for a forwarder, one for another forwarder. One for my buddy, he's got to go do a tractor. Oops, hi. And the semi, that'll come back. I got to do one. It's just been air conditioner heaven. I bet you guys ain't seen one of these. Maybe you have. So this is the one that I was out on it 3 damn times last week. One's probably because I didn't know what the heck I was doing on it. I didn't have schematics, I didn't have drawings and wiring and whatever. And anyways, but there's it's got a rooftop mount on it, air conditioner, and the the fan had gone to crap. It's like a 20-inch electric fan, and anyways, get to the long story. We got that all fixed, but I still kept blowing fuses, and today we were doing a resistance check on the clutch, and she's way out of whack. And she pulls in, but she's pulling too much through that circuit. So we went with a new compressor. Got a few lines leaking. Got one up on top especially that I gotta wait now for parts because they're far away, and actually I'm getting them through my supplier. And then you guys remember this, we're working on that rear end, got that all done, and the owner of the machine said, hey, get that air conditioner work, we got some blade pins and bushings to change on it, so we're gonna do that. And same thing here, we went through the whole system, got rid of the leaks. Now mind you, this is almost a 20-year-old machine. A lot of hose chafes, a lot of leaks on the hoses. Pulled the vacuum on it with the, excuse me. Pulled the evaporator out, pulled the heater core out, cleaned everything up. They were plug tight. And pulled vacuum on it the other day, and then when we pulled vacuum, you could actually hear it sucking air in the compressor. Sucking. The vacuum negative was going back up to positive, so got a compressor. So it's been like the week of the compressor and stuff, and then nothing against this guy bought it this way, the guy that owns it. I don't know if you guys can see how crooked and bent that is. That's the condenser. Full of oil. She was a leaky bugger there. So I actually got the look at that, brand new condensing unit for the door. Just call them guys, they'll make them for you if you got a Fab Tech. It's 20 years old, but they were able to, must have the drawings or whatever, and it took maybe 3-4 days, but they made that unit up and sent it to me. And so yeah, and I redid some of this. Put my high and low discharge ports right here together like brothers. Because they had one on that Denso has them on the compressor top on the high side charge part. I put them right here so I can come up with the machine, or any new mechanic, or any mechanic from here on out can just go red, blue, hook on, man. Not throwing that line over that hot engine. Not to mention they had a heat shield there between the muffler and the compressor's about that far away, and you can't get your gauges on the manifold. So that's, I mean, it's been a week. Of course, the 4th was through here this week, and Kyle is off bear hunting. That's what he does this time of year. It's just me and Troy working, and kind of quiet, just doing this. It's not real rambunctious work, but it's good work, and yeah, just thought I'd bring you up to speed. I haven't put out a video in a couple days, and just wanted to, hey, say hi, guys. This one came in all of a sudden today too. He's been here before, Mr. Deer. My dad was hauling it for him today, and they were driving out of the woods and they quit. And, well, we tested the batteries, and those batteries were only 8 months old, and one was totally dead. We don't know, but they went, Napa went good on them. So we got 2 new ones, and excuse me, I'm gonna put them back in for the old boy, and off we go. So thanks for coming along. It's just a short video. Just wanted to, like I said, bring you up to speed. Wander around the shop like a retard, and not like a retard, but like a deranged person maybe. It's alright, I'm gonna go out and see if I can't drive out in the woods with my gator and see if I can't see any deer. Saw a big buck out there the other day, and they're just getting into velvet, but he's gonna be a monster, I'm telling you. So I'm just gonna go poke around out there. They cut all the hay off in the last week and a half, second crop. And yeah, that's all I got. Okay, till next time. Like, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, comment, you know, on what do they say on the thing below, and I appreciate it. And tell your friends, tell your enemies. All right, talk to you later. Thanks for watching.